Meanwhile, the German company KLAFS is offering everyone the chance to purchase ESPO, the world's first foam steam bath. The soft white clouds not only clean but also create a unique atmosphere during the wash, enhanced by light and sound effects. Once your skin is clean, you can rinse off the foam with a regular shower, followed by an ice shower. All of these features are packed into a compact size, suitable for hotels and cruise ships, fitting into about 6 square meters, not including the service room. Additionally, all water lines can be flushed and sanitized at the touch of a button. The Maytronics Air Cover 300 is a retractable slatted pool cover designed for pools up to 81 square meters and a maximum width of 6.5 meters. Its creators prioritize both functionality and style, earning an International Red Dot Design Award. Customers can customize the type and color of the slats to their preference. The cover is compatible with both existing and under construction pools and can be operated via remote control or through a mobile app. Pricing is available upon request. If bees continue to die at a rate of 20% per year, they could be extinct in as little as 11 years. To help save them, consider Beeamond, a hive specifically designed for urban environments. It's so simple to use that even a 5-year-old can manage it. The Beeamond hive can be placed anywhere, from a bedroom to an office, as long as the entrance for the bees is at least 50 centimeters away from windows and doors. The bees will maintain the optimal temperature of 34 degrees Celsius on their own, and the hive comes with built-in protection against mites. The aesthetically designed model is priced at $780, though bees are not included. The Lex Blinds team is exceptionally skilled, offering over 15,000 fabrics and designs, and utilizing advanced solutions that pay for themselves over time. For instance, their screen fabric blocks up to 96% of the sun's heat, helping to reduce air conditioning costs. Lex Blinds specialists excel at handling complex and uniquely shaped projects, whether it's roller blinds up to 25 meters wide or windows 6 meters high. Many of their solutions are compatible with Amazon Alexa, Google Home and Apple HomeKit, and support various sensors, allowing you to automate functions like having the blinds open at dawn. Based in Belgium, Veranda operates not only across Europe, but also in Africa and North America. Their retractable pergolas are designed for use in both hot and cold weather, allowing you to maintain an optimal microclimate inside. This versatility makes veranda products ideal for spaces like a study or a winter garden. The engineering is equally impressive, featuring a special roller mechanism that eliminates the need for floor guides, with the structure built on a self-supporting aluminum frame. Customers can choose between tempered glass, plexiglass, or polycarbonate for the finish, with additional options like heating, lighting, and an automatic opening system. BORA has redefined kitchen extractors by integrating them directly into the worktop, eliminating the need for large hoods hanging over the stove. The suction surface pairs seamlessly with BORA induction and gas cooktops, making it suitable even for small kitchens. For example, the panels of the ESPURO version are just 60 centimeters wide. The controls are cleverly designed, with the interface changing color when switching between the hood and cooking settings, and the brightness is adjusted to prevent distractions. Additionally, the professional range combines a classic knob with a touch-operated surface for ease of use. The BenQ GV50 projector is specifically designed for those who enjoy watching movies while lying in bed. It can rotate vertically by 135 degrees and even project onto the ceiling. The designers focused on creating a stable base that securely sits on a bedside table at an angle, allowing for easy adjustment of the picture position to suit everyone in bed. The projector also features a special night shift mode that automatically adjusts colors to reduce eye strain, and a ceiling cinema sound mode that optimizes sound whether you're sitting or lying down. You can stream movies from platforms like Netflix, Prime Video, YouTube, and Disney+, with a maximum screen diagonal of 120 inches, offering a true cinematic experience. The device is complemented by a 150-minute battery life and is priced at $800. The LG Signature Wine Cellar is designed to handle the meticulous care that a wine collection requires, managing temperature, humidity, UV protection, and even vibrations automatically. Since the ideal serving temperature varies with the seasons, this cabinet simplifies storage with 3 sections: one for red wine, one for white wine, and one for champagne. For convenience, you can check your collection by simply tapping the cabinet to turn on the light. It also features a voice assistant, Wi-Fi, an automatic opening system, and a freezer mode. Capable of holding up to 65 bottles, this wine cellar is priced at $5,679. The Amerimax Flex Drain Pro is a corrugated drainage pipe with a 10 cm diameter, available in lengths of up to 15 meters and capable of handling pressures of up to 4.7 atmospheres. Its load-bearing capacity is 30% higher than similar pipes, making it a great value at $14. A complementary product is the Stealth Flow Blocks, designed to divert water from the downspout away from the house. These flat blocks can be easily concealed under mulch or along pathways, with a 152 centimeters block priced at $650. The Innoventum Solar Carport is an innovative combination of exclusive glued laminated timber and high-efficiency solar panels. This development addresses the growing demand for electric vehicle charging, as sales of electric cars increased by 33% last year, but charging infrastructure hasn't kept pace. With the Solar Carport 15, you can generate enough energy to drive at least 4,828 kilometers per year, which is about 13 kilometers per day. The carport has a power output of 6.3 kilowatts, and its price starts at $885.